Hey everyone, Jonathan here from the Protocase team. Today I'm going to go over our manufacturing lead times. So here at Protocase, our mission, our whole reason for being, is to help you get your projects done and keep your organization on schedule. We do that by making the custom parts, enclosures, and panels you need to your exact design in the quantity that you require. Since Protocase started in the early 2000s, we have offered a lightning fast lead time of 2 to 3 days, because we know that every day counts when you're developing a new technology or a prototype. But in recent years, we've realized that we have the capacity to take on some longer lead time jobs in order to even out the peaks and valleys in our manufacturing facility. Now, if you want to learn the full backstory on the decision, I highly recommend watching a recent video from Protocase's co-founder, Dr. Doug Milburn. We've got a link to that below. So, back to our lead times. We are now officially offering 2 distinct service streams. Number 1, priority. This is our signature manufacturing turnaround of 2 to 3 days for orders with in-stock materials and our in-house services. Number 2, economy. Our new economy lead time has a base lead time of 2 to 3 weeks plus the priority lead time of 2 to 3 days. Orders with the economy lead time will be slightly discounted from our priority pricing. Our new economy service allows our production team to more efficiently schedule and prioritize jobs in our production facility. By offering 2 different service streams, we can ensure our equipment and production team is optimized at all times, resulting in leaner manufacturing processes. Ultimately, you will choose the lead time option that works best for your priorities. If you are facing critical deadlines and require rapid manufacturing with overnight shipping, priority is your choice. But if you've got some leeway on time and are willing to account extra lead time for lower pricing, our economy service is a great fit. One thing to keep in mind when we say 2 to 3 days lead time for priority and 3+ weeks lead time for economy, this is the manufacturing lead time. Before your design actually starts to get manufactured in our facilities, it needs to go through the quoting and e-drawing process if applicable. That means there is a turnaround time to assess and price your design, as well as a turnaround time for your design to be prepped so that it can actually be manufactured. Before our team actually builds your design, you must give a final sign-off in order to verify that the design is accurate to what you actually want made. There are only 2 scenarios when we don't require approval. The first scenario is when you reorder a job we've manufactured before with no changes, either by reordering through my account or through your Protocase account manager. The other instance where you don't need to do e-drawing approval is if you submitted your design using our own Protocase Designer software, where the design is confined to our manufacturing constraints. If you are interested in hearing more from Protocase's co-founder, Dr. Douglas Milburn, about our new pricing structure and lead time options, please see the link below. He goes into much more detail, which some of you may appreciate. If you've got questions about the new lead times, or you want to quote your design based on either or both of our lead time options, reach out to us. And remember, you can always design, quote, and order right in our free CAD software called Protocase Designer, or quickly and easily reorder using Protocase My Account. Both Protocase Designer and My Account now have quoting options for both priority and economy levels of service. With just one click, you can change your selection to economy. Thank you very much for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. We'll see you back here next week.